Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Baymax me. Interesting fact, when I did this with no help whatsoever, our friends online, when I was around about 6. Let's get into it. This face, none of these, and keep it this colour. You want to make him bald. No eyebrows. I want these eyes, these positions. Now we're going to hide the nose, so you want this nose and these positions. And this is clever. I figured this out myself when I was younger with no help. And I can't believe I did this. You want this mouth in these positions, so just keep the mouth you've already got. You don't normally have that, but you have today. And doesn't matter what colour you change it to because it's black mouth. And that has made like a little line on his face. I'm going to show you. Hopefully it doesn't put that in the thumbnail again like it did with the tails one. This line here. Anyway, no facial hair. No moles. Or mole because there wasn't anything. Because there's only one mole you can choose from. Sometimes I mumble to myself when I don't think what I'm trying to say. So gender male, body. You can do this exact because simple. Just drag your finger all the way up and drag your finger all the way up here. But if you want to, you can do it the long way by using this. You want no glasses. Hopefully that red controller doesn't get in the thumbnail. And you want to make him white. And then type in Baymax, Baymax, and press done. You have made a Baymax me.